Now, this is the third type of crystal system, that is orthorhombic. If we see the shape, this shape is like orthorhombic shape. Why it is called as orthorhombic shape? Because all these three distances are different. That is, A distance is not equal to B distance, B distance is not equal to C, and C distance is not equal to A. So each distances in all three directions are different distances. So A distance is not equal to B, B distance is not equal to C, C distance is not equal to A. Okay. And if we see the angles, all three angles are 90 degree to each other. That is, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. So it is called as orthorhombic structure. So in case of this structure, four different crystal structures are available in this system. That is, simple orthorhombic. This is the first, and in overall, this is the sixth number crystal structure. Then body centered orthorhombic, seventh number, base centered orthorhombic, eighth number, and face centered orthorhombic, ninth number. So in this way, these are the four different types under the heading of orthorhombic crystal systems. This is called as simple orthorhombic. At each corners, atoms are available. Body centered orthorhombic, because at the center of this body, or at the center of this orthorhombic structure, one atom is available. So it is called as body centered orthorhombic structure. If we consider the top surface and bottom surface as the base, if we consider top surface and bottom surface as the base, so at that base, or at the center of that base, one atoms are available. If we join these diagonals, then at the center of this, or at the intersecting point, the atoms are available. Okay, so it is called as base centered orthorhombic. It is represented with symbol C. Then next is face centered orthorhombic, that is F. Again, we already learned this. Total number of faces, 6 different faces are available, 4 on the front side and 1 on top and 1 on bottom side. Okay, so on each face, at the center location, the atom is available, or molecule is available. Okay, and so it is called as face centered orthorhombic structure. So in this way, these are the four different crystal structures under the heading of orthorhombic. the next type of crystal system is rhombohedral, or it is also called as trigonal crystal system. In that only one type is available, that is called as simple rhombohedral system, which is also represented with R symbol. What is the main property in this system? The property becomes axial length becomes A is equal to B is equal to C. A is equal to B is equal to C distance. Okay, and if we consider the angles alpha is equal to beta, which is equal to gamma, which is not equal to 90 degree. Okay, all these angles are different than 90 degree. This is the main feature or main property in this rhombohedral system. Okay, but if we arrange this type of shape also in the stacking, then no gap is available in between any box. This type of boxes, if we make this type of boxes and if we arrange these boxes linearly as well as in vertical direction, then no gap is available here. Okay, so this structure is also considered by the scientist Bravis. If we consider the next, that is hexagonal. Okay, hexagonal shape is there, and in that hexagonal again only one type is available, that is simple hexagonal shape is available. So this type of structure, crystal structure, is available under the heading of hexagonal portion. If we consider the axial lengths, then distance A is equal to distance B, but these two distances are not equal to distance C. If we consider C is the vertical distance, then this vertical distance is different. But if we consider this becomes A distance, if we consider this distance becomes B distance, and these two A and B becomes equal, but this C distance is different. Okay, so A is equal to B and C is not equal to A and B. If we consider the angles, then two equal coplanar axes at 120 degree, third axis at right angle. So if we consider this plane and this plane, so in between these two planes, this angle becomes 120 degree. This angle becomes 120 degree. But if we consider the angle alpha and angle beta, this angle alpha and this angle beta, these angles becomes 90 degree. This angle is alpha, that is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, but this angle gamma is 120 degree. So the shape is like this. This is called a simple hexagonal shape, and which is represented with symbol P. this is 6 number crystal system, that is monoclinic crystal system. And in this monoclinic system there are two different types of crystal structures are available, that is simple monoclinic, which is represented with P symbol, and base centered monoclinic, which is represented with C symbol. So main features here, if we consider the lanes, the three unequal axes, okay, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. All these A, B and C distances are not equal to each other. This is the main feature. And angles, if we consider the angles, two angles are 90 degree, that is alpha and gamma angle becomes 90 degree. Okay, this alpha and gamma becomes 90 degree, but if we consider the beta angle, then beta angle is not equal to 90 degree. So shape is like this. At the corners, if atoms are present, this is called as simple monoclinic structure. And if we consider top and bottom becomes the two different base. Then at the base center, at the center atoms are present. Okay, and so it is called as base centered monoclinic structure, and symbol is C symbol. And the last type of the crystal system is triclinic. So this is last type of crystal system, that is triclinic crystal system. If we consider axial length becomes A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. In this way, C is also not equal to A. All the distances are not equal. If we consider the angles, angle alpha is not equal to beta, angle beta is not equal to gamma, angle gamma is not equal to 90 degree. So each angle is different than 90 degree. This is the main feature in this triclinic. And if we consider the atoms are only at the corners, and so it is called as simple triclinic structure. So in this way, today we finish the discussion related to crystal systems and crystal structures. So in overall, we see that total 7 crystal systems was invented by Brevis, and total 14 crystal structures are available. So these systems are available in the period of 19th, that is 1850, and still these crystal structures are applicable. So according to this crystal system and these crystal structures, nowadays also we work with this system. Okay, so in this way we finish this lecture. Thank you.